everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well, we are talking about Gomora Mzansi Magic nge-character kaMama Sonto. Since the beginning of the season, izinto zimshubele azimhambeli kahle. I'm even convinced ukuthi uMama Sonto is leaving Gomora. The writers are raising a new gangster of Gomora, her daughter Tati, who wants nothing to do with her family after they blame her for Pumlani's death. A lot will be happening. Kokoko will send Mike Jr. to kill Tati, but Tati will make a move on Mike and he will turn against Kokoko and try to kill him, but he will survive and continue with his mission. He will later dedicate Ntokozo to kill Mama Sonto, who is very sick after collapsing. She wants to sort things out with Tati, who is not interested. Sonto will be critically ill. The tears revealed that Mazet will warn Pretty that if Tati doesn't come, Mama Sonto will die. And guys, we also learn that Mazet will worry that Sonto has died. A lot will be happening to Mama Sonto's character this season. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. What do you think about this new season? Are you happy or you want to see more? Minanje, I'm currently lost, guys. I don't want to lie to you, but I think because this season is maybe they're trying to change things. But for now, this pity so no Mike, no Tati. I'm just lost. Bye guys.